In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to stream at 1080p 60 frames per second on Discord without requiring Nitro. First, open Discord and access your user settings. Locate the Plugins section and click on Open Plugins folder. Keep this folder open and head to your web browser. Visit the provided website link, check the link below the video. After downloading the linked file, save it. Now, open the file location and extract it. You'll find a NitroPerks.plugin file, copy it, or use Ctrl+X, then return to the Open Plugins folder and paste the plugin. Close the folder, go back to Discord, and make sure to enable NitroPerks. Finally, test your setup by entering a voice channel on any server and sharing your screen. You'll now be able to stream at 1080p and 60 frames per second on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.